Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone is fine and doing well. Yesterday we started the chapter Tenali Meets Babur, and I read out two pages, page number 16 and 17, and also did the explanation. Today we are going to do page number 18 and 19. So shall we start reading? Page 18. Babur was surprised to see an old man with a white beard planting a mango sapling. He could not help asking, "Bade Miyan, what are you doing?" "Jahanpanah, I am planting a mango sapling," replied Tenali Raman. "But Bade Miyan," Babur said, "you appear quite old. Even if the sapling takes root, grows and bears fruit, what would you gain? Surely you won't be alive." "I'm not planting it for my own sake, Jahanpanah, but for others. I enjoyed the fruits of the trees planted by my father, and now this tree will bear fruit for those who live after me. That will be my reward." "I like your idea," Babur responded admiringly. "You are a kind man who cares for others. Take these coins and plant more trees." The emperor asked his minister to give the old man a pouch containing gold coins. Accepting the gold, the old man bowed gratefully and said, "May God grant the emperor a long life. You see, normally people get fruit many years after planting a tree, but I got it immediately. It shows that consideration for others definitely reaps a rich harvest." Pleased by the old man's remark, Babur gave him another bag of coins. Again the old man said, "You have really made this old man happy. While this tree, when mature, will bear fruit only once a year, you have rewarded me twice already." Babur replied, "Well said. Again you deserve a reward." And Tenali received the third bag of coins. Alarmed, one of the ministers advised Babur, "Your Highness, this old man appears to be quite wise. Let us move ahead before his petty utterances forces you to empty." Page number 19. "Your treasury right here." Babur smiled and began to ride away. Then the old man said, "Huzur, just cast a glance at me once again." So saying, Tenali removed his disguise and said, "I am your humble servant, Tenali Raman." Realizing that he had been thoroughly fooled, Babur burst out laughing. "I am not at all sorry for having rewarded you. Tenali Raman, you deserve it. You are every bit as intelligent and wise as I had heard." Babur took Tenali to his palace and showered him with gifts. When Raja Krishnadeva Raya heard about Tenali Raman's triumph, he too rewarded him with gold and property, and Tenali Raman became even dearer to the Raja's heart. Okay, so till now we understood that to make the king laugh, Tenali disguised himself into an old man, and then he started digging a spot near Yamuna where the king would easily see him, and he had a mango sapling with him. So when he was digging, Babur was approaching, and he called out that, "Bade Miyan," that means dear old man, "what are you doing?" And Tenali Raman replied that, "Jahanpanah, I am planting a mango sapling." Jahanpanah means Your Highness. Then Babur asked him that, "You are very old, and this mango plant, when it will grow, it will take lots and lots of years to bear fruit. Till then you will not be alive." Then Tenali said that, "Yes, Your Highness, I won't be alive by that time, but I had lots of fruits that the trees bore which my father had planted. These I am planting for the future generation who can eat the fruit." By hearing this, Babur became very pleased, and he liked his idea, and he said that, "You are a very kind man who cares for others." So he gave him a pouch of gold coins. Accepting the gold coin, the old man, who is Tenali, he bowed gracefully and said that, "May God grant the emperor a long life." And you see, normally people, they get fruit after planting a tree, but I got it immediately. And this shows that consideration for others definitely reaps a rich harvest, means brings great rewards. If you consider for others, if you care for others. Pleased by the old man's words, Babar gave him another gold bag of coins. Again the old man said, "This tree, when it will bear fruit, it will bear fruits only once in a year. But you have rewarded me already with twice." Again Babar was amazed, and then again he rewarded him with one of bag of gold coins. Then one of his minister alarmed and said that this old man is very wise, and by his pity utterness, that means words or sayings that are very short and full of meaning, we will be forced to empty our treasury here itself. So it's better that we leave. Then Baba smiled and he began to ride away. Just at that moment, the old man cried and said that, "Huzur," means Your Highness, just turn around and look at me once again. And when Baba turned, he started to take out his disguise and he said that, "I am your humble servant, Tenali Raman." Baba realized that he has been fooled all throughout this time, and he laughed. He laughed wholeheartedly. And then he said that, "I'm sorry, I'm not at all sorry for rewarding you, because you deserve it, and every bit of you is intelligent, and you're very wise, as I have heard." So he took him to the palace and showered him with gifts. And hearing all this, King Krishnadevaraya, he also became very proud that Tenali proved his word. And when he returned, he also gave him gift of gold and then property. And Tenali became more dearer to the Raja's heart. The Raja loved him more. So that was the short story or a short incident of Tenali Raman with Emperor Babur. I hope you all have understood the story. If you have any doubt, you can clarify it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.